ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपः कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Hare Krishna everybody. Welcome in the morning. So the world we are living in is full of situations which are degrading to our soul. Also, the situations are always tempting us to do things which are not favorable for bhakti. All the events and all the objects are constantly attracting us to do something else which is not favorable for Krishna consciousness. And it is always a uphill struggle for the sadhaka to say no to those temptations and not to fall down in the material pool. There is always an effort required from the sadhaka's side to train itself to the mind to say no, to give enough knowledge to the intelligence to say no at the level of mind, to sense gratification, to tempting events, to degrading events. That is why we need association of devotees, because in the association of devotees, there are always devotees who are able to say no to these temptations, and their example inspires us. So if you want to make really progress in spiritual life, we have to learn to say no by the help of devotees, and we have to say yes to those things which are favorable to Krishna consciousness. In sadhana stage, His Holiness Radhanath Maharaj says that we may not experience Sri Krishna's Tribhanga form while we chant the holy name. When we see darshan in the temple, we may not see Krishna, we only see immobile Krishna. We may not have our hair standing on end while we listen to Bhagavatam or any other Krishna Leela. We may not feel ecstasy while taking prasad, thinking that this is not different from Krishna. We may not have our hair standing on end or tears flowing from our eyes when we chant the holy name. We are too far from that stage. And on the other side, we are having very negative, tempting, degrading situations, tempting us to do things which can degrade us. So for a sadhaka, it's a very difficult situation. But still, the advice of the great saintly people is to continue our chanting of the holy name with full faith that we are under the process of purification. And when the purification will be over, then we will have our hair standing on end when we chant the holy name. Like in our medical world, the TB patient comes to us and he has fever, loss of weight, loss of taste, cough, and so many things. And then we start medications, and for 1 month to 2 months, there is no effect. The patient is wondering, doctor, what is happening? I'm taking my medicines, but fever is not reducing, appetite is not improving, weight is not in gain, cough is not reducing. The doctor says the medicine is working inside, and very soon, if you continue your medications, your fever will go, your appetite will improve, your weight will increase, and your cough will reduce. Similarly, we have not yet reached that stage where we feel ecstasy while chanting the holy name. We don't see Krishna dancing on the altar. We don't see tears flowing when we hear Krishna Katha. But we should know that if we chant the holy name with great determination and sincerity and with consistency, then one day all these things will manifest. We need to have faith, and with determination in the company of devotees, we have to continue chanting Hare Krishna every day, with or without ecstatic experience, with or without happy experiences, with or without charming experiences. We have to continue on and on. One day we'll feel ecstasy, another day we feel bored to chant. But in both the conditions, without listening to the mind, please continue chanting. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Are there any questions? Jai Sri Radhe. I wish you all the best in happiness and sorrow, in pleasure and boredom. I wish all of you that you continue your chanting. Continue getting up in the morning. It may be painful, it may be boring, it may be happy occasion, but please continue what we are doing. Keep the medicine on and let the medicine work in its own way and own time. And one day will definitely be there that you will feel ecstasy. Hare Krishna.